All right, so indicators in TradingView can feel a bit confusing at first, but once you get them, yeah, they're actually pretty powerful. Let's go step by step. First, on your chart, just click the Indicators button at the top. That's where all the tools are. Now you'll see a search bar. You can type things like RSI, MACD, or moving average. Just pick whatever you want to test. Let's start with RSI. Click it once and it'll appear below your chart. It helps you see if something is overbought or oversold. Next, add a moving average. This one smooths out price action so you can see the overall trend more clearly. If you want, you can click the settings icon on any indicator to change things like color, length, or sensitivity. The real trick is combining indicators, like using RSI for momentum and moving average for trend. Together, they give you a clearer picture. But yeah, don't go crazy adding too many indicators. It can actually make things more confusing instead of helping. And that's it. You now know how to use indicators in TradingView. Take it slow, test them out, and always focus on understanding what they're telling you.